Hello guys, we have finally come up till the last layer of the cube and I am so happy for making this video. It is just because of you creative bunch of people that I am motivated to make this video for the last layer. Now in solving the last layer, the first thing you should note is you should hold the cube in such a way that your unsolved layer is facing towards the ceiling or the sky. Now you should understand that in solving this layer there are total 4 steps involved. So the first step we will talk about is making the plus sign. After we have solved the second layer, we will automatically find that the top layer will have some already middle pieces fixed. So either it can be of the 4 options. The first option or option A is that you will have just the centerpiece made. The option B is that you will have a centerpiece and 2 pieces on the adjacent sides like an L shape. The option C is that you will have a straight line, and option D is that you will have a plus sign made up of the centerpiece or the dominant color. So if you have the option D, you are lucky enough. It's like you have already solved the step 1. And if you are unlucky like me, you will have just 1 piece made. So don't worry, we have a formula for making us lucky. It is front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Let us apply the formula, and we can apply the formula facing any side, and just make sure that this side, the unsolved side, is facing the top. So let's apply the formula: front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now we have this small L shape. Now make sure you are placing this L shape in such a way that one side is facing away from you and the other side is facing towards the left. Now we have the option B right here. Now we will solve this formula once again, which is front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, and front inverted. Now we have the option C, and we are just 1 step away from having the plus sign. So we will hold the cube in such a way that this line is parallel to you. One middle piece is towards the right and the other middle piece is towards the left. So apply the formula once again: front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, and front inverted. And now we have made the plus sign. It is completed. Okay, so we are now on the step 2. We have done with the step 1 of making the plus sign on the top. Now the step 2 asks us to match the middle piece with the centerpiece on all the 4 sides. As you can see, none of them seems to be matching. So I will just twist this orange piece, just for example, on its centerpiece and see how many of other sides are matching. So neither this is matching, neither this is matching, and neither this is matching. So I will try this color yellow, and when I put this yellow here, I can see this isn't matching, this isn't matching, but this is matching. So we have 2 sides which have matching colors with their middle pieces, and there are 2 sides remaining, the orange centerpiece and the white centerpiece. And as you can also see, these 2 pieces needs to be flipped onto the other sides. So the orange should come here and the white should go here. For that we have a formula which is right, up twice, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted. So make sure you are holding the cube in such a way that your 2 unsolved pieces, one of them is pointing towards the right hand side and the other is pointing towards you. So make sure you are holding the cube in that position. So let's do the formula. It's right, up twice, right inverted, up inverted, right, up inverted, and right inverted. And with just a twist of this layer, every middle piece is matching with its centerpiece. We are done with the step 2. And now we are into the step 3 of solving the last layer. And in the step 3, all we have to do is put the pieces, corner pieces, in between of their respective colored sides. By that I mean, if this is the blue, yellow, orange corner piece, I have to shift this in between the blue, yellow, orange centerpieces, which should be here, this side, the blue, yellow, orange centerpieces. It is not necessary in this step to properly fix this. It is just necessary to place this in the right position, however it fits in. And for this one, every piece should be in their right sides, in between of their right sides. So there is always a possibility that one piece is in the right place. So here we can find that this blue, white and red corner piece is in the right, between the right sides. So we have to apply the formula now to interchange the place of these three pieces, which is left inverted, up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted, up inverted. So by keeping this piece towards you and towards the right side of you, we will have to apply this formula, which is left inverted, up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted, up inverted. So now let's check if the pieces are in their right place. So this is the blue, white, red is between the blue, white, red. Another piece, which is the blue, white, orange, is not in between its respective colored sides. It is the blue, red, yellow. And this piece is also not in between its respective colored sides. So what we will do is we will once again apply the formula and check if it works this time. So we will do it left inverted, up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted and up inverted. And let's see if we have done it this time. Okay, so this is in the right place. This too looks in the right place. The third corner piece, blue, orange, yellow, also looks in the right place. And the fourth piece also looks in the right place. So we are done the step 3. All the pieces are in between their right sides. Alright, now we are into the step 4, the final step of solving the third layer. And the step is really simple. We have the 4 corner pieces which are in the right place. So we have to place them into the right position. And for the formula for placing them into the right position would be once again right inverted, right, down. And we have to perform that formula until a certain number of times till the top of this corner piece matches with the center piece of this layer. By that I mean the blue color for me, the blue center piece for me should match the corner piece. And when that happens, I will turn the top layer and solve the second piece. And by this way, I will solve all the 4 corner pieces by turning them towards the right side one by one. So let's start by doing the formula. We could pick any side to choose from and start by doing right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. Now the blue is fixed in the right place and in the right position. So I will twist the up layer towards the right hand side and I will do right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, down, right inverted, right, down. The blue is up here. So I will twist this up layer once again. For the third piece, we will perform the formula again. Down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And the third piece is also matching with the center piece. Now this is the last piece. Let us do it for the one last time. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. and with just one simple twist, the whole Rubik's Cube seems to be solved very well. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you were able to learn something new with all the time and energy you spent into this. And if you are able to solve the cube, share this achievement with your friends. Thank you for watching, and tata, bye bye, take care.
Touch moving